How to identify good and harmful light for vision. The eyes of humans, and specifically the cells of the retina, have the highest metabolic requirements of any tissue in the entire body. They require a lot of energy. The only way to meet this high demand is for the cells to house many mitochondria. And so it is no surprise that cells in the eyes have the highest concentration of mitochondria anywhere in the body. Seeing as light therapy works via interactions with the mitochondria, and the eyes have the richest source of mitochondria in the body, it is a reasonable assumption to hypothesis that the light will also have the most profound effects in the eyes compared to the rest of the body. Best wavelength of light for eyes. 670 nanometer deep red visible type of light is by far the most studied for all eye conditions. This wavelength of red light passes through the eye with over 95% transmission. This is true for near-infrared light and similar for other visible light such as blue, green and yellow. Recent research has shown that degeneration of the eye and retina is directly linked to mitochondrial dysfunction. So V20 light device, as the perfect approach, can restore the mitochondria in the eyes. Harmful light for eyes. Blue, violet, and UV light wavelengths, 200 nanometer to 480 nanometer, are bad for the eyes. Being linked to either retinal damage, or damage in the cornea, humor, lens and optical nerve. This includes direct blue light, but also blue light, as part of white lights, such as household, street LED bulbs, or computer, phone screens. Sunlight, especially midday sunlight, being reflected off water, also contains a high percentage of blue, leading to eye damage over time. It's not just reflected sunlight that can do harm though, as surfer's eye is a common issue, related to UV light eye damage. Hikers, hunters, and other outdoorsmen can develop this. Traditional sailors, such as Old Navy officers and pirates, would almost always develop vision issues after a few years, mainly due to sea sunlight reflections, exacerbated by the nutritional issues. Far infrared wavelengths, and just heat in general, can be harmful for the eyes, as like with other cells of the body, functional damage occurs once the cells get too warm. Workers in old furnace-related jobs, such as engine management and glass blowing, always developed eye issues, as the heat radiating from fires, furnaces is far infrared.